The Liftoff. Point of no order.
Yebo, yes. So, year 20 for abantu abaningi is quite a significant year, yeah? You are moving out of your teens where mhlambe ngisho abazali bebengakakuthembi kahle hle to take ownership of your life. But once you step into the 20s, things change. People start looking at you in a different light. Abantu mangabe usukhuluma usubeka uvo lwakho in certain spaces, you are heard kangcono than what it was a year prior when you were still a teenager. So I want you and I to go back and think about where we were and what was happening in our year 20s. What was life looking like for when? Given a chance to go back to when you were 20, what would you change, if anything at all? Was it a nicer time than things are njengamanje? Of course, for abaningi bethu, ama responsibilities esasinawo sina 20 are way less than what we're facing now. So by that virtue only, sibaningi esifisa ukubuyela emuva. Kodwa mhlambe the amount of freedom, right? And the amount of autonomy that we had back when we were 20 is also not the same as what we have now. Let me know ukuthi what happened in your year 20 that either slightly or completely changed the trajectory of impilo yakho. I'll give you my year 20. It was 2011, and it's the year I decided to pursue a qualification in radio production because I decided ukuthi radio ngiyithanda ngalendlela engiyithanda ngayo, and I actually want to be well versed even ngokwencwadi around radio. And so I formally quit. I quit Wits. I quit Wits, and I went into a radio production qualification, and look at where I am now. So year 20 for me was absolutely pivotal in placing me lapho ngikhona manje. Perhaps your story is the same, or maybe ushintsho that came in your year 20 was not a good one. Did you lose something? Did you gain something? When you think of year 20, what comes to mind in empilweni yakho?
The Liftoff. Point of no order.
You and I, my friend, songthe man, asibambe le theme ka 20. Uyabo? Sithi rewind. Angazi ke wena ukuthi uye 20 wakho uthi rewind kangakanani. Mhlambe you're still in your 20s and your 20s is just a couple of years back or just last year. Or maybe ufana nami ufana rewind into ekhona because 20 is many years ago. My year 20 was in 2011. So I'm checking in ukuthi ikhona yini into that stands out for you from your year 20. Either something that was significant in shaping where you are now, or perhaps ayenzanga umehluko otheni. Ya nje kwakuunyaka nje ondikindiki. Laverne unjani? Oh.
I'm good.
Now, when was your year 20?
That was around 2009.
Oh, Ndanga. Yeah, Kelly. Anjana mathambo ntombazane.
Yo, cranky.
I know.
It's hectic.
It is. All right, so what stands out for you with your year 20?
If I just listen to Umawani, the time she told me I must finish school, matric was important, was compiled to the time at ESCO now. Maybe I would have been so in life because she's a retired nurse. Mm-hmm. I could have, followed into her footsteps, but I wanted to be a cop like my dad. Mm-hmm. And then she refused. Nami ngatuba, avele ngaba nengane ngakhulelwa-ke maziboy. Kwavele kwabheda kakhulu-ke wavele baqinisa ingidi-ke naye.
Okay, so your 20 gave you your son.
Yes. My 2K.
Which is good, because I think it's a blessing.
He was a blessing. Now there is a 2K. These people, they stress us. He's making me look more old.
We are Vova. You are tired.
I am tired though. But yeah, a mother's words, you should listen. I know they sound like stress records when they talk to you when you're still in your teenage years. You know, oh, mabe, babenjani.
Yeah.
Asekhuluma ukubhekane uthi inkosi zakho sidina kanti uyazi.
Ushayeleza uthi ngangingekho ebusheni bakhe. Hayibo.
Yebo.
Ubona usuclever wokugcina musu ma 20.
Awu kodwa nkosi.
Wenza umrivithi. And sometimes umrivithi wakho uyakulandela uze ube mdala buka manje.
Yeah, and I have to go back to her and say, Mama,
you were right.
So yeah, I told you.
Kodwa yazini asithathe ngokuthi plan laNkulunkulu yabona?
Yeah.
Asithathe kanjalo. Ngoba usaphila ithuba lokuthi ushintshe lapha nalaphana uzibeke lapho owawukade ufisa ukuba khona. Lisekhona ntombazana.
Lisakhona yazi ngijabulela nje ukuthi ingane yami ifikile ku-matric.
Nice.
Isizongena esibhedlela leyo sebenza khona number 1 but under cleaners. Umfana nje hayi usefaka i-red flag high flag kunina-ke ngiyambonga umfana ukuthi usewutholile u-matric masana sami well Sean masana I'm proud of you.
Shoni mshana uyibambe kanjalo Shano. All of this I think is God's plan, my love. And on that note,
the liftoff, point of no order.
Uma wami was so sick ngalezo zinsuku nje ngithanda kuphuma esikoleni and I had to ukuthi ngingaqhubeki ngisho ngisho varsity and I had to go and apply for a job. Ngayosebenza ka-McDonald's ngiphumela nje esikoleni support umzali wami because wayengekho umuntu owayekhona eduzane ongamsupport, so I had to.
So when wakhula and you were thrown into your adult years kanzima
kodwa ke nalapho ngikwazanga ukuthi ngiphinde esikoleni maybe nami ke ukuba lazy kwami so far ngikhali kakhulu because umama usakhona emhlabeni.
Oh yay. Yazi ukuthi bengisaba nokubuza sisi, like I'm so glad that things worked out ngaleyo ndlela. Wow, okay.
Yabo so nje umama ukhona, she takes care of my kids when I'm away for work. So nje right, I'm complaining.
Things work themselves out, you know. I've learned ukuthi impilo ingakubhabhadisa ngomlilo sometimes uzizwe ukuthi yabo manje ngiyashona.
Uyayibona
ungashoni.
Ube mhlawumbe ngihamba ngayo ufunda ke engingasho ukuthi ukufunde kuyabheda. Mhlawumbe ngabe ngikwenye indawo or I even lost my home as well. So I'm happy today because ukhona ikhaya mikhona yonke into iyaqhubeka.
Things always work out the way that they're supposed to. Yes, we plan, Tina. We plan ukuthi this is how we want things to happen, and then other things happen according to God's plan, okay? Because we believe ukuthi angithi uyena ophethe impilo zethu. And I firmly believe ukuthi you always end up where you're supposed to be.
Siyabonga uNkulunkulu akakunikezi izindlela la engafisanga khona ukisa la vela afuna ukuthi uye khona.
Yeah. Mase kuba kuwena ukuthi uyafunda yini from lapho odlule khona noma cha.
Noma cha.
Yeah. Sisi ngiyabonga ukhonze lapho kusalikwazi uyazi.
Ngizokhonzela kuMazuma ngiyabonga.
All right mama, it's Gagasi FM's 20th birthday and we are celebrating big.
Gagasi FM.